The Kingdom of Mice. Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom, humans and mice lived together in harmony, sharing food and friendship.
And the kindness of our human friends.
Hooray for the king!
But one harsh year, when drought struck, the mice grew hungry, and brave King Mouse looked to the human king for help. Before the great throne, King Mouse bowed low, and the kind human king offered his grain with a smile. That night, thousands of mice rushed in under the moon, carrying away each grain with careful teamwork. When harvest came, the mice returned the grain, more than they had borrowed, proving their honesty.
We may not survive this.
One day, enemies prepared to invade the kingdom. As enemies gathered across the river, King Mice promised to the worried human king that they would help.
Under a dark sky, the enemy camp slept by a misty river. Torches flickered, shadows stretched. Tension filled the air. From the reeds, mice emerged. They moved silently on floating sticks, reaching the camp, ready for their raid. They scattered, sneaking into tents, biting ropes, cutting bowstrings, chewing sacks. Ropes snapped, tents collapsed. Morning broke. Soldiers awoke to chaos, their camp in disarray, intelligence over strength.
At sunrise, peace returned. The kings stood together as humans and mice lived safely ever after. True strength lies not only in power, but in kindness, trust, and working together.
Thank you for watching our story. If you and your little ones enjoyed this story and its lesson, please hit the subscribe button to follow Bunny's Bedtime Stories. Your support gives me the motivation to bring more wonderful stories to life for kids everywhere.